Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Little Living's channel. Hope everyone is fine and enjoying their day, and here I'm back with another exciting video. Hope everyone is fine. Today we'll be discussing about how to plan for a UAE teaching job. If you are really planning to apply for a teaching job in UAE, what are the requirements you need, what are the plan you need to plan before itself. Okay, so first of all, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, so and share with others. First of all things, my dears, are I have mentioned in previous videos what are the requirements for the job, what are the certificates you need, what are the things and all, and how to apply, whether it is online or you have to go on visit visa and search for your job, what is the best options. I have given all the solutions in my previous videos. If you have not subscribed, you can go and visit my channel and search for the videos. Today we will be discussing about if you are really planning to move to a UAE with your teaching job and you're planning to apply for a job, what are the requirements you need. First of all, first thing is you need to apply your resume on websites of the schools, whatever schools or whatever qualifications you are required. So for number one is apply for the job online. And if you are planning to do a visit visa, it's better option. Go and apply for that also and attend the interview wherever it is. So first thing is applying for the job. If you get the job, okay, how much you should expect, that is also I have mentioned before. But in this world, how much negotiate salary you should negotiate actually. Okay, for example, if any school is offering for you for 4K and they are not providing free education for your children if you are married, okay, they are not providing free education or concession in your education for your children, okay, and no allowance, no medical allowance, no tickets, nothing is provided, just they are offering 4K or 3.5K, then you are going there. So what should be your ideal plan? Actually, your ideal plan should be that you plan your budget accordingly. For example, if you are going on husband's visa, okay, and your husband is working there, okay, this is for female teachers I'm talking about. If your husband is on a job there, he's well settled on having a decent income, then you are getting 4.5 or 3K, and with your any incentives offering from any school, you should go for it, because you know why, it can be managed from both sides. Okay, if you are the only breadwinner in your family and your husband is working in other country, you are planning to move to UAE, then I think you should consider this offer before taking this risk, because you don't have free concession for your children, you don't have free education for your children, and you don't have any other allotments, any other incentives, any other facilities provided to you by that employer or by the school. So it's better not to take risks, I'm telling you. Before, after that, you should not ask me after going there why I don't know no one told me. No, I am telling you, before going there, plan yourself, plan your budget, whether you are able to manage in that budget on all, then only you should go for it. Otherwise, better to stay wherever you are. Otherwise, don't take the family there. Better you go and plan yourself and gather some decent amount, then you plan for taking your family over there and for your children there, settling down with the family and all. That will be the ideal situation. But better thing is plan your budget. Okay, directly everyone cannot go and apply for the job. Of course they can apply for a job, but planning ahead is very, very important, my dears, very important. Okay, think about visa, think about accommodation, think about the expenses. All these things you have to keep in mind. Just directly you cannot go and start working, I'm in UAE, and suddenly go and start complaining there, my employer is not providing for accommodation, my school is not giving me free education, free concession for my children and all. You should have discussed this before you move, before you have settled down there. This is the main thing, because many people are messaging me, asking me, whether in the chat box also some are asking what is the risk we should take or not. I got this offer. No, and the answer for this is calculate your risk. If it is manageable, your expensive, free education and all, only you should go. Otherwise, better solution is not to go for it. Okay, hope this video helps those who are asking any doubt regarding this, which is the best, should we take risk or not. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.